Hey, how's everybody doing today? I just wanted to show you a few kitchen hacks that I use for juicing. These three items are indispensable now to me that I've been juicing now for quite a while. So this first one is like a rack that you put right over the sink, and this is your average sink, and it just stores very easily. You can just roll it up and you can store it right out of the way. Good stuff. And the second thing is this bar mat. This I never thought I would use as much as I do. This bar mat is perfect because it's thick enough to bring you over that lip of the sink. The reason for that is when I put my cutting board over it, your cutting board sits flush, and anything that you want to cut or drain could just get moved into the sink. You got your sink, you got your rack, and it doubles as a drying glass, for my juicer. I take that apart, I'll put that on top of here. So now it's being used as a drying rack. I just finished juicing. I just wanted to also mention, even if you have a marble countertop and you don't have that little bump, up indentation on that, this will keep your cutting board from slipping and sliding. And it's a lot safer to cut stuff when it's not moving around. Prior to getting this, I used to use a wet towel under it just to not make it move if I was cutting stuff. All right, another important part I wanted to just bring out to you. After I juice all this stuff, I juice enough to fit into one of these thermoses. So I'll hold this with me and I'll add a few ice cubes to it, and this will last me a few hours. Even overnight if you wanted to do it, because this is a masticating juicer. It doesn't oxidize at the high speed levels as the other juicers do. And also, if you wanted to do a big batch, maybe you get 2 or 3 of these, you don't want to clean this machine every day. You could also get some buffered vitamin C, put a teaspoon in there, and that'll help preserve it as well. So hope this helps.